Account-based targeting on LinkedIn ads. In LinkedIn ads, you can target both from an account level as well as from the contact level as well. So in this video, we'll be talking about the account-based targeting or how you can target specific companies in LinkedIn ads. So under the plan section, go into the audiences section and here click on create audience and click on the matched audience option. Click on company and contact option here. Click on next. The default would be the contact list, so you have to change it to the company list here, and then you have to select your list and upload that, and also name your list. So this is a company list template. You can download it from here. So you can see from here there are different options here like company name, company website, company email domain, LinkedIn company page URL, stock market symbol, industry, city, state, company, country, and zip code. You don't have to fill most of the options. The most important option that you have to fill is the LinkedIn company page URL. If you can just have the LinkedIn company page URL of the companies that you are targeting, you will get the 100% match rate. Again, you have data about the company name as well as the company domain name. You can add those as well. But as I said, the most important option is the LinkedIn company page URL. If you can have that, then the match rate would be 100%. Apart from that, there are some other things which they also mention, which is the maximum file size upload is 20 MB. It also says that for the best match results, you can include the company page URL, which I also mentioned. Upload between 10,000 to 1 lakh companies. This is what it says, and it also says to include at least one field. But as I mentioned, the most important field that you should be entering is the LinkedIn company page URL. Thanks so much.